Welcome to the A-420 Simple Circuits for the Simple IDE Part A. Go to Project, let's close this one. We haven't saved it, so it's not there, so let's delete it out, and we're going to go to Project, Open, and let's back up a little bit, and we're going to go to our Learn folder. Simple ID, Learn folder, Examples, Circuits, and we're going to open up the first one. And we're going to run it in the RAM or run it into the EEPROM. And when I do this, so I could make it flash at a half second, maybe making it 500, and I could actually make it flash at different sides. So when we want to use our LED 26, it's going to be high, which means on, and low 26, which means off. And if I want to also do 27 at the same time, I'm just going to copy and paste it. Let's run it. Good. So I don't have any buttons, so let's go ahead and show you the program. So in a C program, we have a main, we have our braces, and we have our braces, and every brace needs to be in a pair. While one means it's going to run continuously, and we're setting button, a variable, as an integer from the input of pin 3. So the pin 3 is either going to be a 1 or 0, depending if it's 5 volts or 0, and we're going to print everything within the quotations is text, %d is decimal, /n is a new line, and we're going to say what the variable button is in D. And we're going to this out, and we're going to use an if statement. Unfortunately, this is a picture, not text, so we have to do this by hand. So if button, our variable button, if it is equal to two equal signs and no colon there, so we're going to use our brace, which is our bracket above a bracket, so we're going to make a space, and we have high 26. Don't forget our semicolon. And let's go ahead and copy this guy. And we're going to pause 50 milliseconds. And let's go ahead and copy that. And we're going to turn the light off with low. And we're going to pause for another 50 milliseconds. And we're going to close this all off. I like to match the brace. And we're going to do the else. If it isn't true, it's going to go down to else. And we're going to need braces around our pause 100, because if it doesn't match, we're going to pause 100, and we should have 1, 2, 3. So we have 1, 2, and we're going to need a matching brace. So let's double check. So we got one around main, we got one around our while, and that actually this would be our while. And we have it around our if and a pair around our else. Let's try and see if it's going to work. And good, it ran, and when I push